Welcome to Moesappreviews. The Roidmi Eva floor mopping and vacuum cleaning robot can sweep, wipe and vacuum at the same time. It uses advanced LiDAR navigation with the latest highly intelligent algorithm. Not only can it spot obstacles, but it can also create maps that help it move through your home. Not only can it spot obstacles, but it can also create maps that help it move through your home as precisely as possible, even in the dark. With the app you can easily clean your house even when you are not at home. You can choose specific areas you want the vacuum cleaner to clean or not. Voice commands via Amazon's Alexa are also possible. When the robot has finished its work, it returns to the station and it is cleaned there. Everything is fully automatic. After 60 days, you can simply throw away the dust bag without ever having to see the dust. 3200 PA strongest suction power of Roidmi Eva supports deep cleaning of the whole house. The 5200 mAh battery lasts up to 3 hours, making it suitable for a semi-detached house or even a very large apartment. If you want to see other videos of mine, please like and subscribe.